Greetings from the Embassy of Pakistan, Washington, D.C. On the eve of semi-quincentennial independence anniversary of United States of America, I bring on my own behalf and on behalf of government and people of Pakistan heartfelt felicitations to the great American nation. While US history has been one of resilience, innovation, and commitment to ideals of freedom and democracy, Pakistani nation was also established through a democratic process, and resilience has been the hallmark of our independent existence over the past 8 decades. Similarly, US-Pakistan relationship has withstood multiple tests of time. It has been one consequential relationship, consequential beyond the bilateral domain for the whole wide world. The future of this partnership is certainly brilliant, given a number of complementarities between our two nations and the fact that we are amongst the top 5 large populations of the world. The recent frequency of interaction and identity of views amongst our leadership has been significant. It augurs well for the future of a long-term partnership that we must establish entrenched in economic ties based on investment, trade, and commerce, and in important sectors like minerals, energy, IT, and agriculture. Pakistani diaspora will have a very important role to play in this endeavor. I not only pay tribute to the services of Pakistani diaspora with regard to being the bridge builders between our two countries, but I have the honor of presenting a gift to the American nation on the occasion of these Independence Day celebrations. It marks a tribute to our long-standing partnership. I would want to make a special mention of Mr. Siraj Narsi and his team of technicians and musicians for this commendable endeavor in producing this piece of art. It is certainly an artistic tribute to our friendship in the past, today, and from a futuristic standpoint. The government and people of Pakistan take pride in presenting this artistic gift on the occasion of semi-quincentennial independence anniversary of United States of America. Long live Pakistan, long live United States of America, and long live Pak-US friendship.